Hiya YouTubers, it's a Superman G come back at you one more again. And in this video, I will be reviewing the Lenovo 5 Legion 17-inch laptop. This laptop was actually referred to me by a friend on Discord. Shout out to Dusan, the Flaming Flamingo. I confided in him that I was in the market for searching for a new laptop, as the one I have was starting to show its age. He gave me some manufacturers, and Lenovo was one of the makers included. Some of the features I needed to have in a laptop were an Intel Core i7 CPU, an SD card reader, plenty of USB ports, at least 16 gigabytes of memory, and a 1TB NVMe drive. I needed this power due to me editing videos. After searching countless websites and customizations from different makers, I was settled on this Lenovo 5 Legion. It was within my price budget and included all of the features I was looking for. I was mostly taken by the optional color this laptop comes in, which is named Phantom Blue. But due to the color not being as bright or noticeable as I've seen in pictures of it, I will label it more of a navy blue. But I'm not complaining, as I did not want another black or silver colored laptop, as I've had both in the past. Now I'll show you the ports. Starting on the left side, there is a headphone microphone combo port and a Thunderbolt 4 port. At the rear, there is an RJ45 network port, a second Thunderbolt 4 port, two USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, an HDMI 2.1 connecting port, another USB 3.2 Gen 1 port for charging only, and the power input port. On the right side, there is another USB 3.2 Gen 1 port, and finally an SD card reader. Upon opening the laptop, you will see a full-featured keyboard with a numeric keypad, which is a plus for me and my financing fingers to really appreciate, especially when I am using a calculator for inputting numbers. The feel of the keys is low, soft, and right at my fingertips. I was a bit worried about this at first, but I am able to type as fast on this keyboard as on my desktop's keyboard. The keyboard also has 3 backlit settings that can be toggled by holding down the FN key and pressing the spacebar key to either increase the brightness or turn it off altogether. Every key is illuminated with the backlit feature, including the combo keys. Some laptops only have part of the combo keys backlit, so when you are searching for a laptop with a backlit keyboard, make certain that every key will be illuminated, or you could be in for a disappointment, as you would need a flashlight to find that key you are looking for. The trackpad has a sturdy and premium feel to it. I even know when my fingers are on the trackpad in the dark. The surface of the trackpad is smooth, but when you move off from it, the surface is rough. A clear indication that my fingers are not on a trackpad. Now, what's under the hood of this mechanical marvel? Well, we have a CPU that is an 11th generation Intel Core i7 11800H processor with a speed of 2.3 GHz and a turbo boost speed of up to 4.6 GHz, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads. Memory is 16 gigabytes of DDR4 3200 MHz, upgradable to a max of 64 gigabytes. The storage drive is 1 TB PCIe NVMe SSD drive. The display is a 17.3-inch FHD 1920 by 1080 IPS anti-glare with Dolby Vision 300 nits and a 144 Hz refresh rate. Graphics include the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 with 4 GB of VRAM. Wireless features a Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax 2x2 adapter and Bluetooth 5.1. Battery is a 4-cell Lipolymer 80 work hour. Operating system Windows 10 Pro 64-bit with a free upgrade to Windows 11. Please note that I customized this build and some of the features were optional that I upgraded. After having this laptop for a month, I am highly impressed with its stability and functionality. I have no worries about installing a program wondering if it will work or not. In the future, I will upgrade the memory to 32 gigabytes, but for now it's running quite fast, so I don't feel the need to upgrade just yet. Another welcome feature about this laptop is a privacy shutter for the webcam. It has a switch that you can move to engage the privacy shutter on the camera when you're not using it. This is a must-have for any laptop. Battery runtime is approximately 3.5 hours. This is dependent on how you are using the laptop, and it may not last exactly that length of time. But this goes for all laptops, so be mindful when you are hoping for long-lasting runtimes. Music coming from the speakers, which are off to the left and right side, sounds good. At times when playing music, it seems like it is coming from behind me instead of in front of me. I don't have any complaints about the reproducing of the sounds in music. When doing light to moderate tasks, this laptop is dead silent. Depending on what you are doing, there is a feature which will allow you to toggle the performance modes of the laptop by holding down the FN key and pressing the Q key. Function modes are Whisper mode, Auto mode, and High performance mode. This is mostly for when playing games or other high demanding tasks. Which mode you are in is also indicated by the LED light blue, white, red on the power button. Let me also point out, if you are setting to look for a 15 to 17 inch laptop, there will be weight that comes with it. Some of these can range from 4 to 6 pounds. If something more lighter is what you are seeking, then you may want to try for a 13 to 14 inch model. This particular laptop is on the heavy side and in the category of a desktop replacement. However, this laptop can be faster than some desktops with the proper configuration and upgrades. This is my first Lenovo laptop and I am very impressed by how it is serving me. I edited a video on it for the first time and it ran smoothly without any hiccups or stutters. I'd say that if you are in the market for a new laptop, give Lenovo a look-see. They do have smaller laptops and some can even be customized. I hope this helps you out in deciding on a new laptop or what to look for in a laptop. Although this is but one of many that are out there, do your research on other websites' products. Make comparisons to which laptop has the features that you are needing. Compare prices and look for discounts. Don't just settle for the price of the product you see in the checkout area, as this can increase after adding taxes and/or shipping if applicable. But if you chat with the agent, whether on the phone or online, you may be able to negotiate on getting the price reduced down to the budget you are in. I did chat with the Lenovo agent and they were able to fit this laptop's price within my budget range by applying some discounts. So you never know until you try. Thank you all for your continued support of this channel. Have a happy Thanksgiving to all U.S. citizens. Rest of you take care, be safe, and peace out.